Hello everyone. So the purpose of this video is I want to remind all of you, right? Please avoid these kind of mistakes because if you do that, it will affect your GATE rank. If you are GATE 2025 aspirant, the things which I am going to say now, please take care. Please avoid all these mistakes. The number one mistake what every student is doing, using social media a lot. Using social media a lot. So my suggestion, please avoid as much as possible. 95%, if possible, 98%, please avoid social media. I never seen a person who uses the social media a lot and who got the good GATE rank. Please avoid. Some students are there in the so many groups. Telegram group 1, right? WhatsApp group 1, like that, many groups. Please avoid this. The fundamental one, why many students are not getting good GATE rank. The fundamental reason is this only. Avoid social media. It will spoil your health also. It will spoil your mental health also. It will spoil in every manner. No use at all. Avoid as much as possible. That is the number one. Number two. Please study as per the syllabus. Don't study more, don't study less. Within the syllabus only study. Within the syllabus only study. Don't study more, don't study less. Within the syllabus only study. Sir, I like this subject, I will study more. No. Sir, I don't like this subject, I don't study. No. Please study within the syllabus. Whether you like or not, there is a syllabus. From the syllabus only, they will give the question paper. My suggestion is, please follow syllabus. Right? That is number two. Number three. Some people are doing research in a particular topic. Some people are doing research in a particular subject. Please avoid. Do you want to get a good GATE rank or not? If you want to get a good GATE rank, please stop doing research in few subjects. If you want to get good GATE rank, please stop, right, doing research in particular subject, right, proving the theorems, proving this, proving that, right? If you want to do proofs and all, go to PhD. In the MTech you can do, in the PhD you can do, in the GATE preparation where you want to do that, please avoid this. Next one, right? Next one. So PYQs are Bhagavad Gita of GATE exam. If you don't do practice of PYQs, there is no meaning of preparing GATE examination. Mostly questions will come from PYQs only. My request to everyone, please solve PYQs as many times as possible, as efficiently as possible. Some students are saying that PYQs I will study at the end. No, it is not like that. Please start doing now. Please start doing PYQs now. They will save, right? They will make you very good in concepts. PYQs will make you very good in concepts. They will say to you where you are missing. They will say to you what you are missing, what exactly you have to do, right? My suggestion is whenever subjects are going on, please do simultaneously. Suppose you are studying one subject, that subject PYQs you can try. You are doing one subject, right? So at the end of the subject, you can do PYQs. Or middle also you can do. Right? That is the reason in EPT for all our students, every Saturday, Sunday we have, right? Every Saturday, Sunday we have weekly test. Every Saturday, Sunday we have a weekly test. Monday to Friday classes. Saturday, Sunday weekly test. So my request is don't neglect PYQs. Don't neglect right weekend tests. They are very important. And one more thing I want to say to everyone, every day 30 to 45 minutes, please do exercise. If you do exercise, you will get a lot of concentration. After exercise, if you study, 6 hours study is equal to almost like 8 hours study. Without exercise, if you study 8 hours, right, 8 hours study is equal to only 6 hours. My request to everyone, my request to everyone, right, please do exercise. 30 to 45 minutes. It is good in every manner. I hope these points are useful to you. And if you are seriously preparing for GATE 2025, my sincere request to everyone, start your preparation as soon as possible. Start your preparation as soon as possible. One of my students is there, he started the last month. Now he completed 2 subjects, 2 more new subjects he is studying. One more my student started the GATE preparation 2 months back. Now he completed 4 subjects, right? 2 more subjects, means 6 subjects almost done it. So without delaying, please start preparation as early as possible. New batches also starting. If you want, you can join in this. I am going to guide you. AIR1 will going to guide you. Mithali madam is going to guide you. Nidhi madam going to guide you. We all 4 people going to guide you. I hope this session will be useful. If you really like it, right, you can comment in the comment section. And one more thing is, if you think that some more points I left out, you can type in the comment section. Right? So thank you. Right?